Okay, so now that we're near the beginning of the third trimester, you're going to copy your gradebooks. I'm going to copy my Trimester 2 gradebooks. I've already done the first one just as a test. And then you're going to also want to include your final marks, your gradebook options in my categories. Push save. And it now gives you a very clear indication as to which ones are the copy because it will say copy. Delete the word copy, and then you're going to switch from Trimester 2 to Trimester 3. So you can now uncheck Trimester 2. Push OK, it'll give you a warning. And since this is period 2, I want to associate my period 2 students with that class. And then you push save. So now I have a Trimester 3 period 2 gradebook, and you're going to do the same thing for all of the ones that say copy on them. So I'm going to just very quickly go through, delete the word copy, change it from Trimester 2 to Trimester 3, and then associate my period 4 students with that particular class. That way, when it goes to ask you which classes you want, or which students you want to add, you know that you're adding the correct students. So now I'm going to do this for the rest of my classes. So that was my Spanish class. This is my Spanish class that I'm now going to add a Trimester 3 gradebook for. And then lastly, I have a period 7 science. Delete the word copy, change it to Trimester 3. I'm sure I want to remove that term and then add my period 7 students. Now, you'll notice on your dashboard now that you have future terms, all of my Trimester 3, and then my past terms, all of my Trimester 1 and Trimester 2 classes. Make sure that you link your gradebooks prior to you adding any assignments. So I already have a group 1 and 2, so I'm going to make a group 3 for all of my science classes. If I could do this correctly, 3. And then lastly, my period 7 class will be a group 3, and then you push save. Because my Spanish classes, here's that screen one more time, my Spanish classes are all unlinked, and then all of my science classes are linked together. And then the only other thing that you need to do is click on any one of your current gradebooks for Trimester 3, click on Manage Gradebook. You're going to go to Options, and what happens is when you copy, your other options stay the same, but unfortunately the dates stay the same as well. So you're going to want to change the dates to say March 21st, and the end date will be June 22nd. And then you just need to change it in both the calculating the total grade as well as displaying the assignments. And the nice thing about doing it this way is once you do it once, you push Copy Options to Gradebooks down here at the bottom. And so you can, these are the things that you want to copy. So click on Next, and then I want to clear all, and then just go through and push your Trimester 3 gradebooks. Copy Options. So now all of your options have been copied to your other classes. So when you go to my other classes, this is period 2, and you look at the options, the dates are still reflecting the third trimester. And then you can go ahead and add the students to your classes, double check that they are the correct students, add all students, and then for each one of your classes, all of your students should show up appropriately in the correct class that you have them for. Add all students, add all students, and then lastly, period 7, add all students. And that's it. So now you have a tab for future terms, which will be Trimester 3 starting Monday, and then all of your past terms are still there as well. And that's it.